Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make green screen effects on our projects. But before starting, if you like my videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If everyone's ready, let's get to our video. Alright guys, we are in Vegas and we have two videos in our video tracks. One is text that I want to show you in the video. Let me show you like that, the Laker text. And our effect that we will use for the green screen. And let's open both of them. Now what we're going to do is really simple actually. We are going to click video effects first, and then we are going to find chroma key here. In there we are going to pick the default one and drag it onto our green screen video. In that window we are going to select color button, and then we are going to pick that button up and click on the screen, the green part of the screen, the part that we want to delete. When we click it, takes the same color. Now we are done with this, and I guess that's all. Our effect is ready, as you can see. Smoke on our Laker text. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope I was clear. See you in my next videos. Bye.